I'm late to the game, but let's see if this Labubu Fufu Dubai chocolate brain rot crumble cookie is worth the hype. This was $8, by the way. Like, I got 2. Cheers. Oh, she's good. Go take out a loan and get yourself one of these. I was so hyped to try this with y'all. I literally put on a matching shirt from Imprint We Trust. It's a cute little crabby. Did I bring milk? Yes, because I wanted the full experience. Super heavy though. It is pretty sweet, but I give this a 9 out of 10.